This is a room tour at the Flamingo Las Vegas, room 14029. This is a newly renovated Flamingo room. When you first come in, you have your bathroom. With broken toiletry area, yay! That's fine. That's okay, at least they're in there. I guess that makes it renovated. Your countertop, of course, mirror, towels, hair dryer, your closet. Over here is the bedroom. Some nice little flamingos over here. Some cute lamps, big bed. We got the TV. I see the couch is back. In my last room, it was missing a couch. We do have a charging station. That's really nice for your phone. Little table over here in the corner. Let's see, we do have a refrigerator down here. That's nice. I enjoy that. I really like that. I am guessing, yes, the safe is in here, and that's storage. You have your ice buckets. And over here is the best part, is the view. So you can hear the party pool going, and you can see the sphere right there popping over. If I was up a few more floors, maybe I could see it better, but this is a very nice view. Also, I'm very curious about this little pool down here with the waterfall. Is that the kid pool? Is that a private pool? I want to go in there. I think it looked nice. And this was a room tour at the Flamingo Las Vegas. If you like this, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.